Instacart sign in Instacart account. So if you wish to sign into your Instacart account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instacart application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now from here, basically what you have to do is you will see all this type of options, and in order to sign into your account, if you don't have an account, by the way, you can tap on sign up, but if you already do have an account, tap on the login button right here. Now you can log in with your email or log in with your phone number, or you can also log in with your Google or Facebook account. So depending upon what is comfortable for you, simply select your respective details here, select the account that you wish to log in with, and then your Instacart account will be successfully logged in. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.